Hey ladies and gents, it's Timey Girl 7 and guess what time it is? Well, you saw by the title, but my Ipsy bag is here. I have not looked, I have not peeked, I have not cheated and seen ahead of time, so let's take a look at this together. I'm going to try and do this one-handed though, so let's see how this goes, okay? I'm reaching in the bag and I'm pulling something out. It is by Sur.Medic, a poreless carbonic peel. It is a facial peel. Wow. I am going to have to do that after a nice bath over the weekend. I'll let you know how it does and how much I like it or don't like it. I'm not sure about peels. It depends on how it goes. I mean, if there's like chemical peeling going on, that's when I like freak out a little bit. I didn't read directions, but it looks like it's just a mask, which I'm good for. Masks make me happy. All right, so now I get a chance to see the bag, and it is adorable. It has all of these like time stamps on it, as if you were traveling somewhere. There we go, that you can see better. Like, as if it was like a passport. Isn't that cool? And it's a decent size too, and it's pretty. I like it. All right, let's see what's in it and what is this month's theme. Dun, 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 dun. The little card is presented and it says, go there. That's all I've seen so far. Hey, Ipster, we're writing you from a cafe in Paris. Ooh. Roxette is munching on crepes. Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in this beautiful city. Why are we here? At Ipsy, we are obsessed with self-expression, and we found that sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself. That is true. To prove the magic of travel, we busted out our passports, hopped a red-eye to London, took a train to Paris. We laughed, we cried, we drank proper tea, and ate too many croissants, and we captured every step of the way so we could share it all with you. Check out our journey and learn more about your May Glam bag picks and see tons of travel-inspired beauty tips and inspo on the Ipsy mobile app. I do love my mobile app. I haven't been peeking at it though, because then I would see what's coming. Then start planning your next adventure, whether you're dreaming of a road trip, a beach vacay, or you're ready to trek across the globe. It's time to go there. So that is today's theme for, well, this month's theme for Ipsy's Glam bag. Now let's see what else is inside. First item that my hand has touched is called Derma Essentials Radiance Toner with glycolic acid and rubiose. Nice. A tonic. I like tonics. Tonics are really nice to use after you've washed your face, before you've put your moisturizer on, or in the evening. Really nice. I'm happy about this. I will definitely be trying that out very soon. Like maybe tonight, we'll see. Hands back in the bag. Ooh, I found something little called Pop Goes the Shadow Premium Eyeshadow Mermaid Teal. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I can't even tell you, I have been dying for a teal eyeshadow, and here it is. Let's see if I can get it open one-handed without dropping it on the floor. Ha ha! That's cute, right? Ooh, I was able to. That's pretty. Full size. I love me when I get a full size item. That's a gorgeous color. That is going to go amazing with a tiny bit of Douche eyeshadow I have left from last month. That shade has been to die for, and I have used it every single day for the last month. Even today, I went for more of a muted tone today, yet still, I don't know if you can see it, I still have that eyeshadow on there because I love it so much. It would go amazing, but I only have a tiny bit left, so let's see what I can do with this and make a pretty look. Okay, next item, hands back in the bag, and I come out with a travel size I Do Liquid Eyeliner Line and Enhance by Eyeko from London. Very cool. It's travel size, but it looks pretty big for a travel size, you know? I like that. I need eyeliner badly. I'm going to be honest though, I tend not to go black, and I believe this is a black eyeliner. But I do sometimes use black, I just tend not to. I like the blues, especially, and some purples. I have been using eyeshadow for eyeliner lately because I don't have any at all. I used to sell Avon, and I was using the eyeliner that I had from when I sold Avon, which was like 5 years ago. Yeah, my eyes didn't really like it, so I got rid of all of them. So now I need eyeliner badly. All right, so my last item is from Huda Beauty, and I have heard of them. Lip Contour, and that color, ooh, this is my second Trophy Wife lipstick. Different shade though. I am excited to try this. Let's take a look and see if I can swatch it real quick, because that's a pretty color. You guys know how I love my purple. Oh, I got it out. All right. It's out, and now is it's a lip liner. So we're about to have a huge storm here in a minute. My dog's gonna freak out. All right, that's why it's getting darker. This is the Color Trophy Wife lip liner, or as they called it, a lip contour. Very pretty, right? That's nice. I like that. All right, so that is my May Ipsy bag, which I am very happy with. I will be using all of these products. There is truly a reason why I love my Ipsy. And if you didn't know, the cost for all of this is a whopping $10 a month. And you get multiple full-size items and a couple of travel size, which go perfect throwing them in your purse, and that way you've got a little extra when you need it for a little extra oomph. Have a great day, guys. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye for now.